Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So in this video you are going to see how to change the app icon size on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series or any other Samsung phone. So if you want to change the size of the app icon, whether it's to make them bigger or smaller, this is what you need to do. First, open up your settings and then you are going to scroll and select the option home screen. Under home screen, you should see an app size with a slider underneath. So you have three options. You have small, medium, and large. So by default, the app icon size is set to medium. But if you want to make them bigger, you can just slide to the right side of the screen, and then once you have done that, you will notice that when you go to the app screen or the home screen, you can see the app icons have increased in size. Now, if you want to make them smaller, slide it to the left side and then again you can see this changes in size of the app icons on the home screen and app screen. So it's completely up to you to decide which of the three options you prefer to use on your Galaxy S26 series or any other Samsung phone. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.